Well, hello, hello. You know how I tell you guys how important it is to talk to your people when you're picking them up on the ride? I'm going to tell you about what just happened. Now, this is my first Uber ride of the day. So hang with me if you're interested in making some money. Let me tell you about talking to your passengers and how it will boost your income. I want to show it to you. Here we go. All right, listen. I'm going to pull out here because I just dropped off. Let me turn that radio down before I get copyrighted here. Listen, here's how it happened. And this happens a lot. It really does. I can't tell you the number of times that this kind of stuff happens if you do certain things. I just picked up at Walmart. All right, I'm leaving the marina now. I just picked up at Walmart. Picked up two gentlemen. And we rode out of Walmart. I'm taking them 2.3, 2.5 miles, something like that. Anyway, it's like a $5 and something run. All right. As soon as they get in, now it's cloudy where I'm at today. It's weather's kind of rough. All right. We got some cold weather coming in. They get in. First thing I go, hey guys, how you guys doing today? Not bad. How you doing? Well, it's just another day in paradise. And they chuckle a little bit. I go, we brought this nice Florida sunshine in just for you guys today. Now, like I say, it's cloudy. It's not a good day. They chuckled, sunshine. There ain't no sunshine anywhere to be seen, okay? We started talking. I'm taking them down the marina. So the first thing I ask them, you guys on a boat? I'm talking to them. I'm getting them into a conversation. Yeah, we're on a boat. Where you guys from? Dallas. Where you guys heading? Oh, we're heading down to West Palm. Great. I'm carrying on a conversation with them, all right? If you don't know, Daddy-O lives on a boat. So we start talking boats, all right? Start talking about their boat, my boat, blah, 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 blah. But I'm conversating with these people all the way, these two guys all the way. I get them that 2.5 miles. I don't even think it was that far. We get to the marina, and they go to get out. And I said, hey, guys, the carts for you to take your stuff down to the boat is right over there. They didn't know where the carts were. They had just gotten here last night in the middle of the night. All right, they go over to get a cart. The guy turns to me, he says, look, here, you've earned this $50 bill on top of the $6 and whatever. Now, I didn't even look to see if they tip me on the app. Sometimes that will even happen. They'll tip me on the app, and they'll hand me cash. $50 bill, all right? Talk to your people. I don't care wherever you're picking up. I was picking up at Walmart, all right? I'm going to talk to my peeps. I want to get them in a conversation because if nothing else, I'm going to get my 5-star. If you can get them in a conversation, get them comfortable, get them relaxed. I've told this in so many videos before. You will get your tip. You'll get your 5-star if nothing else, all right? That's basically what I'm working at. I want to keep my 5-star. I've had it for a long time. And I've proved that on here, so you guys are questioning me on that? Daddy-O's proved it on this channel. Go back and look at some of the videos. Anyway, a $50 tip on top of that little tiny fare to start my day off, okay? Last night, my last run, still sitting down here. Last night, my last run was 1.5 miles. Took some people over to a hotel from the downtown section here. They got out. It was still sitting down here. I had a $20 tip on top of a 1.5 mile ride. I played the music. My car's going to smell damn good. And I conversate. The conversation, I've talked about this before, and that's what some people will have a hard time doing, is learning to conversate with your people, getting them relaxed. As soon as they get in the vehicle, try it. Just start talking to your people as they get in. Right from the get-go. Hey guys, how you guys doing today? And when it's cloudy like this, you can make comments like that. Well, we brought this sunshine in just for you guys. They will laugh. If you do it right, they will laugh. They will chuckle. When they ask me, how am I doing? It's just another, now I say this a lot, all right? It's just another glorious day in paradise. It is. I mean, I don't care. Where I live at, as far as I'm concerned, it's paradise, all right? So just conversate. That's the point of this video, is to get you guys to learn, and I'm going to try to get off of this road right now because I need to hold up in this area. I know to work my areas, and I know right now all the activity that I've been seeing runs pop up for is down in this area. So I'm kind of hanging tight now. But yeah, talk to your people. I mean, I promise you, conversate, get them into a conversation. It relaxes them. As soon as they get in, they see that you're friendly, because a lot of drivers are not friendly, I understand. So if you can be that one person that they've rode with in the last week that made them chuckle, that made them laugh, made them feel comfortable on that ride for however you want to do it, either because your car smells good or you're playing relaxing music, keep them soothed, keep them in a good mood. Can't play that too long. I don't want to get copyrighted. But anyway, talk. I swear to you guys, it will work. Try it. If you're having a hard time doing it, just try it. I mean, as soon as someone gets in your car, the next ride you go out and take, remember this. As soon as they get in the vehicle, go ahead and bust them open with a good comment of, hey, how you doing? Be boisterous. Don't hesitate. Punch them right in the face with that, hey, how you doing today, guys? You'll be surprised how many people will relax when you do that. They see that you are friendly. They don't know. There's a lot of stuff that I did some videos. There's a lot of stuff going on with Ubers and Uber riders and stuff like that. So people sometimes are hesitant, maybe because of a last ride they had somewhere else that didn't go quite the way they wanted it to. So you never know what kind of attitude they're going to have when they get in. So if you can just hit them right between the eyes and make them feel comfortable and relaxed, and that's why I play that music, they're going to be relaxed. And we're going to talk and we're going to have fun. If I can have fun with you, we're going to have fun. But anyway, my last 2 rides, $70. This one here just paid my leasing fee for the day. I mean, I'm done. I'm through. I can take the rest of the day off and go have lunch with this one. Talk to your people. That's the bottom line here, guys. I can't tell you how important that is to do. If you want to do what I've done, I talk about in my videos. If you've watched any of my videos before, you know that Daddy always talked about this stuff before. The things you need to do to make the extras. You're not out here just to make the Uber money. That little fare they're going to pay you to take someone from here to there. I've told you before, this is what I work for. This is my motivation every day, is not so much for the Uber fare. My motivation every day is for the Uber tips. All right. And I've told you how to get those. I've done so many videos on this. If you're watching me for the first time, you may want to go back and watch some of my other videos on this stuff. If you're having a hard time making tip money out here, I have videos on here that if you do what I'm telling you to do, you're gonna make. All right. Just play the game. It's a game. Every ride you pick up, me picking up, I'm right back over here, me picking up over here at Walmart and taking those guys down there. I played a game from the moment they got in the vehicle, from the moment I popped the back end so they could load up their stuff to take over to their boat. I played the games. It was showtime. All right, remember that. I take some kids here to work every day. I take a group of kids here almost every day. I'll get the run. I'll see it pop up. I'll take them. Sometimes they'll throw me $1 or $2 tip on it. I don't do that for that. These kids are they're here working from the Philippines. I will take care of those kids. They have told me so many times how they appreciate my friendliness, because apparently they don't get it a whole lot. I try to be very, I don't know. I'm a Southern guy. I was raised on being hospitable, being friendly. That's just the way my mom, thank you, Mama. She wouldn't have it any other way. All right. She was one of those moms that you had your manners. You did what you're supposed to do, and you were polite. You were friendly with everyone you met. Maybe I've carried that on, and some people have a hard time, and maybe that's why I'm able to do this. And maybe that's why I'm trying to tell you guys, if you can adopt that attitude of when you pull up to pick someone up, it is showtime. I tell those Filipino kids, when I pull in to drop them off at the high-end hotel where they work at. It's showtime. Put that smile on your face. I tell them that every time before I drop them off. All right, it's showtime. Get that smile on that face. Let's go make some money today. It's friendliness. That's what does it. Anyway, subscribe, ring the bell. If you got anything out of this, subscribe, ring the bell. I don't ask for it all the time. Subscribe, ring the bell, do the thumbs up. That's a good one. And you can buy Daddy O a cup of coffee if you like in the description. You guys have a good afternoon, good evening. Bye.